Hey everyone, this is Joe with nCLOSE. We're going to be going over the assembly of the USB-C iDynamo6 module. First thing that you want to do is flip over the module and locate the two screws that are holding the top and the bottom together. Unscrew those and separate the top. Next thing that you want to do is find your 2A2F74 cable. Find the logo at the top of the cable and this big slot here at the side of the module. Locate the rails into the sides of the slots here on the cable. Press it down firmly. Next, you want to find your C3PO-R2. Find the H and the P ports. Connect one cable into the P port, the other cable into the H port. In this configuration for the best cable management. Next, what you want to do is find the logo at the top of the C3PO. Flip it over so that it's facing the bottom and the extra port is facing towards the top of the module. Place that down into its slot. Move any cables out of the way. And press it down firmly. Next, you want to take the head of the 74 cable and plug it into that front port of the C3PO. Press that in, make sure it's secure. Now, next you want to take your iDynamo6, find the port on the side and the P port cable from the C3PO. Plug that in, then install the reader, chip side first at an angle, press it down into place. Once that's in place, you can move any cables out of the way so that we can install the top of the module. Put the top on, press it down firmly until you hear a little snap. Flip it over and replace the screws. Once the screws are in place, take your assembled iPad. Here we have the Mini 6, it's a USB-C. Align the module to the iPad. And for the best management, plug it in like this. Then from here, you want to bring your iPad over your module, and this cable here you want to bring to the side of the circuit. So bring this over to the side. Then from here you can connect your module. Flip it over. Then using the two screws with the case, connect them together and screw it in place. So using the C3PO-R2, this allows the Mini 6 to consistently charge the reader so that it doesn't die over time and it can stay in the field.